Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to participate in box raffle rules. Mobox regularly runs box raffles where users can win mystery NFT boxes like Momo boxes by purchasing raffle tickets. These boxes may contain rare Momo NFTs of the different rarities such as common, rare, epic or legendary. So here's how to do it. First, what is a box raffle? It is a lottery style event here. You just buy raffle tickets. Each ticket gives you a chance to win mystery box. Winners are selected randomly after the raffle ends. In order to participate, first what you can do is open any of the web browser in your device, and in the top type down mobox.io and enter it. Over here, make sure to connect to a wallet, and once you reach into this Mobox interface, what you can do is on the left hand side we can find to this Momo farmer here. Select to this farmer here. In order to participate here, we can find to this, scroll a bit down until you find to this participate of the box raffle rules. Select to this participate here, and over here what you can do is enter the amount. Max is for this 5.5971. Simply enter the amount that you can participate over there, and after that you can select to this normal raffle, and that is it. And winners are chosen randomly by the system after the raffle ends. Buying tickets does not guarantee you will win. More tickets is equals to higher chances but still random. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.